Hello friends, today in this video I will share a beautiful method, very unique method to improve yourself in English language, and this is the method of reading and reading the article in English language. For example, you are listening a news. First of all, listen that news in your own national language. Then purchase a English newspaper. Read the same news or article in English language. But read not just for one time. You will have to read that article or that news for 20 times with a little bit intervals, small intervals. When you will read that news or article in newspaper for 20 times, then your mind will work to memorize the sentences those are written in that news. When you will memorize, you will read those sentences for 20 times. After doing this, underline the difficult words. You feel the words those are not understandable by you, underline them. Then search their meanings on Google. After searching their meanings, use those words in sentences, make your own sentences. Then again read that news after memorizing the meanings of those difficult words. Again read that news or article. When you will do this, then you will understand that what is stated in that news or article. In this way, you will improve yourself in English language and you will speak English language very soon, because you are reading any news, any article not just for one time but for 20 times. And after reading that articles for 20 times, you are memorizing the difficult words and their meaning. And after memorizing those, when you will read again that news or article, you will improve yourself in English language a lot. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, follow me, and if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.